Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you guys know, I've been using a very old laptop to play my games, and it's time for me to get a new one. So I bought a new laptop that just arrived, and basically this, I just bought something about mid-range within my budget. Yeah, so it's a TUF gaming laptop, and hopefully it'll be good. Yeah, I hope that this should be a good laptop. Let's take a look at this again. Yeah, and when I bought this, it came with several free gifts. Like I got some keyboard, a mouse. It's a Razer mouse. It's all free, and I got a bag as well. A bag for the laptop, and no idea why is this. It's a gaming mousepad, I think. Let's see what's in. How does this laptop look? This is how it looks like. So it's a new laptop. It looks okay. It looks like biology or the cells. I don't know what I'm talking about. That's pretty good. Let's see the interface of how it's built. Yeah, it's pretty good. The typing is fine as well. As you guys know from my video tutorials, all the Battleforge graphics are in the lowest setting. So hopefully after I'm getting this new laptop, then I'll be able to have it on a higher setting, and you can see the gameplay. You can see the graphics much more clear and a higher definition of the graphics when I upload a few Battleforge tutorials when I get this laptop. Yeah, hopefully you guys have a better experience. And yes, I just finally got a new laptop, and I'm very excited to try it. Alright, I hope you guys are excited to have better quality Battleforge tutorial videos. Better quality as in the graphics. This is just my unboxing of my laptop, and why not unbox everything as well. The mouse, Dev Header Essential Razer mouse. Yeah, so it's this. Seems like a classic mouse. The Razer mouse are pretty good. Look. It's a classic Razer mouse, and I've never really used the gaming mouse. I just use the normal classic mouse, so I'm quite excited to have something different. And let's just take a look at the keyboard, although I won't be using it because I have a laptop. It's a built-in keyboard anyway. It's quite interesting. It's seems quite a metallic finish keyboard. It's pretty cool, the metallic finish. But one thing that sticks out to me is how this keyboard seems to stick out a lot. I don't really know much about keyboards because I've been using a laptop for a very long time. That's right, something I hate about keyboards is that they're really very noisy. I think you can hear it. Yeah, but the laptop, when you type it, there's not much of a noise. Yeah, so I think that's the downside about keyboards. It's pretty noisy. Yeah, so that's it for this video, and I hope you look forward to higher graphics Battleforge tutorials. Alright, see you guys.